As digital marketers, we spend a lot of our time creating marketing performance reports for clients. While these reports are important to keep clients happy, it can take a lot of time to gather the marketing data and organize the data neatly in a presentation. Not to mention, as the number of clients you manage grows, so does the number of hours you spend creating these reports. What if you could reclaim this lost time? Introducing Sparrow. With Sparrow, you can automatically create presentations and spreadsheets from your marketing data. It's easy to get started. Just connect your marketing accounts to Sparrow. Select a design from our template gallery, fill in a few fields, and that's it. Your report is ready to go. It's a real time saver, but don't just take our word for it. What are you waiting for? Try Sparrow free today.
My name is Braden Erickson and I am the founder of Sparrow, and I am going to show you how to connect a data source. So in Sparrow, there's two ways to connect a data source. First is where we're at right here within the activation flow. All you have to do is click Connect Data Source. You can see all the different integrations we currently support. You click the one you want to integrate. We're going to connect a Twitter account here. Give it a second. It'll show you a little prompt you have to say yes to. I've already said yes, so that's why it's just taking me back. And it's as easy as that. You're then shown a list of the different accounts you've connected. And in this case with Twitter, there's only one, but if you connect, say, a Facebook page or a Google Ads account with multiple accounts, you can select from a drop-down list of which one you want to add. And then you click Add. It's that easy. We then connect to Twitter, pull all of your data so we can show it on a dashboard for you and create reports. So that's how you connect a data source from the page here. When you're within the app, you can connect the data source anytime by going to the Connections tab here. If you go there, you click Add Data Source. You can see our whole list of data sources here to connect, and then you can also upvote on some of our upcoming integrations. So please, give it a shot. Let me know if you have any questions, and reach out over live chat if you have any issues. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Google Drive account to Sparrow. So we need access to your Google Drive account so we can generate any reports for you from within the platform. So if you want a Google slide presentation, PowerPoint, PDF, Sheets, any sort of exportable document, we need to use your Google Drive account to not only create those reports, but also have a spot for us to save that file to once it's been created. So it's very easy to get started. And to connect your Google Drive account, all you have to do is click this Sign In with Google button either from here, or if you are already in the app, if you go to the Destinations tab here, you'll see the option to connect your Google Drive account from here as well. So to do it, you just click Sign In with Google. From here, you'll have the option to select one of your Google accounts. You'll then see the permissions that we're requesting to be able to generate those reports. So we need to be able to create documents and modify Google slide presentations. So you click Allow. And that's it.